Hello, hello, hello. It's me, Julie. And if you know me, there are two things I buy too much of. The first is trainers. I have too many pairs. Well, actually not too many pairs. I have many pairs, never too many. And the second are Build-A-Bears. Now I know I'm a grown woman and these are a cuddly stuffed toy, but I absolutely love them. There's so many to get. Anyway, I've never done an unboxing of a Build-A-Bear. And the reason I'm doing an unboxing now is because there's a special Harry Potter range that has just come out. I was fortunate enough to be able to go online and beat the queue and get one. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to unbox this Build-A-Bear. So there were all sorts of problems with people entering virtual queues online to get these. The queue opened at 4 p.m. and I got a notification about it, but I didn't see the email until about 7:30 in the evening, by which time I just hopped online. It said that there was an 11-minute wait and I was able to make the transaction. However, people had been in the queue for 2 hours and still hadn't got anything. So I don't know, maybe hopping on the queue straight away wasn't the best thing to do. Anyway, I will not waste any more time. It's here in this box. I will use my blade to open it up and see what we have before us. Now, I went all out. I spent extra money on the box and a wand and all sorts of things. So normally the boxes cost 50 pence. This box cost quite a bit more. So I'm just going to take out. So the box is Harry Potter themed. You can see Harry Potter is on here. Yes, Wizarding World. And there we are. So a bit of Hogwarts on there for you. And yeah, so really didn't need to buy that box. So this is the bear. It's quite fluffy. I think they could have stuffed it a bit more, but it's quite a big bear compared to other ones. It's got his little tag on here with all the necessary information. It's got the Build-A-Bear logo, well not logo, tag, plus a Harry Potter tag as well. It's got Harry Potter and the Hogwarts emblem on the feet and the Build-A-Bear paw on the hand. It's quite a cute bear, I'd say, although I might have to take it back to get it restuffed because it's a bit wobbly. But anyway, let's put, and I called it, I think, Wizarding Witch or Wizardo Witch or something like that. So there's a wand, the brown wand, the skirt. So I couldn't decide whether to make it male or female, so I just put the trousers and the skirt. The trousers, some boots, and the piece de resistance, actually no, so the scarf, because I went for Gryffindor, because that's my house. I went on Pottermore several years ago, answered the questions, and it said that I am Gryffindor. Although when I did a Harry Potter theme in my class with year 3 a couple of years ago, I made my own bear. Well, I didn't make the bear, I made my own Hufflepuff outfit for the bear because my class's house was Hufflepuff, and I still wear yellow because I still remember my Hufflepuff days. But yeah, I'm a Gryffindor. So I've got the scarf, and then the piece de resistance is the cape. Now I thought that the cape was one thing and the jumper was a separate thing. Oh no, it's all one concoction, as you can see here. So I'll dress up Wizardo Witch and you can see what he or she looks like. But the one I made had separate items, not all together. And also mine was fully lined. So anyway, we will see. Back in a minute when Wizardo Witch is dressed. So here he is, Wizardo. Cape can go on with holes for ears. So it's kind of like it's lined, but it's not lined because you can see the inside there. I do like the trim on the jumper, on the V and on the waist. There are no sleeves. The scarf has got the crest on here, so has the jacket here. These are the shoes. There's a crest on the trouser leg. I'll change it over for the skirt and you can see what Rosado Rich looks like as a girl. So she's now wearing the skirt. As you can see, the skirt has got the crest on. I actually just left the trousers underneath because she hasn't got any underwear, so they will do for now. Yeah. So overall I think it's quite nice, but I think mine was better. And I had a real tie that you could actually tie. That's why I did textiles. GCSE textiles took me a long way. Have a look at some pictures.